Have you ever wondered how you can make money through YouTube? Welcome to our comprehensive guide on monetizing your YouTube channel. We're here to empower you with effective strategies that can turn your creative efforts into a thriving revenue stream. Whether you're just starting out on your YouTube journey or you're an established creator looking to expand your earnings, this guide is designed with you in mind. We'll be covering a vast array of topics, from understanding YouTube's monetization policies, joining the YouTube Partner Program, to maximizing your ad revenue and exploring other methods of monetization. We'll also delve into the art of building a loyal audience because let's face it, your audience is the bread and butter of your YouTube success. Whether your goal is to make YouTube your full-time job or just a profitable hobby, we've got you covered. Buckle up as we are about to embark on a journey to turn your YouTube passion into profit. First off, understanding YouTube's monetization policy is crucial. YouTube, the world's most popular video sharing platform, offers content creators a chance to earn money from their videos. This is done through a process known as monetization. But before you start dreaming of those dollar signs, there are some key things you need to know. Monetization on YouTube isn't as simple as just uploading a video and waiting for the cash to roll in. There's a policy in place, and it's important to familiarize yourself with it. YouTube's monetization policy is centered around the YouTube Partner Program, a system designed to share advertising revenue with creators. However, YouTube doesn't just allow anyone to monetize their content. There are specific requirements that must be met. One of these is the subscriber count. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel. This might seem like a daunting figure when you're just starting out, but with consistent, quality content, you can reach this milestone. The second requirement is watch hours. In the past 12 months, your videos need to have been watched for a total of 4,000 hours. This is equivalent to 240,000 minutes. This might seem like a lot, but remember, the more engaging your content, the more likely viewers are to stick around and watch more. These requirements ensure that only serious and committed content creators are able to monetize their channels. It's a way of maintaining the quality of content on the platform and ensuring a fair distribution of ad revenue. Once you've hit those targets, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This is your ticket to monetizing your videos and earning revenue from ads. It's an exciting step, but remember, it's just the beginning. There's still plenty to learn about maximizing your earnings and building a loyal audience. Once you meet these requirements, you are ready to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program is your ticket to earning money on the platform. How does one join this coveted program? Well, there are a few steps to follow. First, you need to start by creating a YouTube channel if you haven't already. This is your base of operations, your digital hub where all the magic happens. Next, you'll need to meet YouTube's eligibility requirements. This includes having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Yes, it might sound like a steep hill to climb, but remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. Once you've hit these milestones, you can apply for the program. To do this, sign into YouTube, click on your account icon, then click on YouTube Studio. From there, you'll find the Monetization tab on the left side menu. Follow the steps outlined there to submit your application. Now let's talk about the exciting part, the benefits. By joining the YouTube Partner Program, you'll gain access to a plethora of monetization features. These include ad revenue, channel memberships, and Super Chat. Ad revenue is the most common way YouTubers earn money. This comes from display, overlay, and video ads. Channel memberships allow your fans to pay a monthly recurring fee for special perks. These could be badges, new emojis, or exclusive live chats. Super Chat, on the other hand, is a feature that lets viewers pay to have their messages stand out during your live chats. Ad revenue is the most common way YouTubers make money. Now, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how this works. When you enable advertisements on your YouTube videos, you're essentially renting out space on your video for advertisers. YouTube then pays you a portion of the revenue it earns from these ads. Think of it as a digital billboard. But how can you maximize this ad revenue? The first step is to create engaging content. This might sound a bit cliche, but it's truly the heart of maximizing ad revenue. The more engaging your content is, the longer viewers will stick around. And the longer they stick around, the more ads they'll see. It's simple math really. But creating engaging content is only half the battle. You also need to make sure your videos are seen by as many people as possible. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. SEO is all about making your content searchable. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. SEO is all about making your content searchable and discoverable. So how do you use SEO to your advantage? Start by researching popular keywords related to your video's topic. These are the words and phrases people are likely to use when searching for content like yours. Then incorporate these keywords into your video's title, description, and tags. This will help YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about and show it to people who are interested in your topic. But remember, while keywords are important, they're not the be-all and end-all of SEO. It's also crucial to create a compelling title and description that accurately reflect your video's content. Misleading titles and descriptions may get you more views in the short term, but they'll ultimately lead to viewer dissatisfaction and lower ad revenue. It's also worth noting that not all ads are created equal. YouTube offers several types of ads, and each type pays differently. So experiment with different ad increase. While ad revenue is important, it's not the only way to make money on YouTube. Let's dive into other monetization methods that can help you diversify your income streams. This is key to creating a more stable and sustainable earning on the platform. It's like investing. You never want all your eggs in one basket. First off, consider channel memberships. This is an excellent way to create a recurring revenue stream. Your fans can pay a monthly fee to get access to exclusive badges, emojis, and other perks. It's a win-win. You get a steady income, and your fans get a little something extra. Next, there's the merchandise shelf. If you've got a loyal following, why not create some cool merchandise? T-shirts, hats, mugs, you name it. This is a great way to monetize your brand while giving your viewers a tangible way to show their support. Then we have Super Chat. During live streams, viewers can pay to have their comments highlighted in the chat stream. It's a great way for fans to get your attention and for you to generate some extra income. Lastly, let's talk about brand partnerships. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products or services. If you've built up a sizable audience, brands may be willing to pay you to feature their product in your videos or even create a dedicated video about their product. Remember, each of these methods has its own set of requirements and guidelines, so be sure to do your homework before diving in. It's also worth noting that not every method will be a good fit for every channel. It's all about finding what works for you and your audience. By exploring multiple monetization methods, you can create a more stable and sustainable income. So don't limit yourself to just ad revenue. There's a whole world of monetization opportunities waiting for you on YouTube. Opening. A loyal audience is the backbone of a successful YouTube channel. Building a faithful following is like planting a seed and nurturing it to grow. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. But how do you cultivate this loyal audience? Firstly, focus on consistently producing high-quality content. Your content is the heart of your channel. It's what draws people in and keeps them coming back for more. High-quality content doesn't necessarily mean high production values. It means content that resonates with your audience, that provides value, that entertains, educates, or inspires. It's content that people look forward to and that makes them want to hit that subscribe button. Engaging with your viewers is another crucial aspect. This can be through comments, social media, or even live streams. Respond to their feedback, answer their questions, and show them that you value their input. This will not only help you to build a connection with your audience, but also make them feel like they're a part of your journey. Understanding your audience analytics is also essential. This is like the GPS of your YouTube channel. It tells you what's working and what's not. It shows you who your viewers are, what they like when they're online, and much more. Use this information to tailor your content to building a profitable YouTube channel doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and the right strategies, it's absolutely achievable. We've walked through the steps together, and now you're equipped with the knowledge to monetize your YouTube channel. Remember, the first step is understanding YouTube's monetization policies. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these rules to avoid pitfalls and maximize your earnings. Next, join the YouTube Partner Program. It may seem daunting, but it's a necessary step to access revenue streams. It's a partnership that benefits both you and YouTube, so don't shy away from it. Maximizing ad revenue is another important aspect. Learn how to strategically place ads in your videos. Understand the types of ads and their benefits. The better you optimize your ad placements, the higher your potential revenue. Don't forget, YouTube isn't just about ad revenue. There are other monetization methods to explore. From merchandise sales to channel memberships, there's a whole world of opportunities waiting for you. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, focus on building a loyal audience. Engage with your viewers, listen to their feedback, and create content that they love. The more engaged your audience, the more successful your channel will be. Now that we've recapped the steps, it's your turn to implement them. So don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on becoming a successful YouTuber. Your journey is just beginning, and we can't wait to see where it leads. Now it's time for you to take action. Start your YouTube journey today and unlock the potential of your creativity. Remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks on becoming a successful YouTuber. Good luck.